All right, so this problem on your study guide reads that there are 12 cows, 4 sheep, and 6 goats in a petting zoo. Enter the ratio of goats to sheep in all 3 forms and in simplest form. All right, so the first thing we need to know is that a ratio is a comparison of 2 different things, or a comparison of two things. So what we're comparing here are goats to sheep. So when you look at the reading, it tells you there are 6 goats. Oops, grab a pencil. 6 goats to every 4 sheep. So those are the 2 values we're comparing. And so when we are putting these into our forms, we want to know what the forms are for ratios. You need to know that there's word form, and then there's the fraction form, and then there's using the colon. So we're going to represent these numbers first in those forms. So I'm going to enter the form as words. So you could just use 6 to every 4 or 6 to 4. I'll say to every 4. That's one form. And then the fraction form would be 6 over 4. Notice that I'm putting the number for the goats first and the sheep second, because that's the way it was described in the word form. That was goats first, sheep second. So you got to keep it in that form, because whoever reads your numbers is going to think the goats are first, and if you switch the order, they won't know that. And then finally with the colon, 6 colon 4. And those are your 3 forms. And so we've gotten that, but we're not done. It says that you have to have your answers in simplest form right here, simplest form. And these are not in simplest form. Lowest terms is what that means, simplest form, lowest terms. So we're going to reduce this, and this is 3 to 2. We're going to divide the common factor of 2 out of both. 3 to 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2, and it's 3 to 2. And that makes this 3 colon 2. And that is how you write the 3 forms in simplest form.